I can feel the air power! Fire! According to feng shui, the fire area is here. The earth power will be concentrated here. Metal will raise the money flow. Oh no, I don't have anything to fill the water area with. So, everything collapsed. It's over. I won't be able to reach harmony.
Sammy, slow down. What happened?
I made everything according to feng shui. Earth, fire, metal, and air. But I missed the water element.
You know, I kept thinking what I could do with these adorable bricks.
So what will you do?
I'll build a real fountain according to feng shui.
And then comes to harmony. Boom!
Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Oh, hi guys. Today I'm gonna make a small fountain so Sam can find his harmony. First of all, let's make the concrete mixture, which will make our bricks stick tightly to each other.
So, if we make everything according to feng shui, the harmony will fill the whole house. Hi, guys.
I guess you are in a helpful mood today.
He who would catch fish must not mind getting wet.
Oh, look at this philosopher. Actually, I know some proverbs too. For example, actions speak louder than words. You know what I mean?
Sure, I am channeling Zen to get focused on our work. I'm quite sure this will help me achieve some amazing results.
No doubt. Do you know what else can help you get focused? Painting off the rest of our bricks.
I know. That's why I'm already on it.
We're making the bottom of our future fountain. Everything starts from the base. You should lay bricks tight next to each other. Later on, we'll secure the bottom from leaking. Like this. By the way, this will be a real fountain with a small waterfall.
I had no doubt. Only the real waterflow can lead the key energy.
I see you really got into the feng shui doctrine.
Oh, shoot! There's so many interesting things here!
Is there anything about attracting money? I'm asking because I know one fidgety slime who spent all his savings only because he doesn't know how to deal with money.
Oh, there is a lot about money. Wait, what are you implying?
Nothing at all. I'm just mixing the concrete.
Concrete? What do you need it for?
We need it to foster the bottom and protect it from leaking. Bricks are not reliable enough in that sense. Pour the concrete and fill every possible hole in the future fountain. This step takes quite a bit of time, but it's super important. Oh, by the way, Sammy, did you paint the bricks?
Just a couple more to go.
Abracadabra, set, enhance. Great. But that's not all. We need an additional ceiling for our fountain.
Let's fill it with this.
No, Sammy. Although it's not a bad idea.
I studied at the Academy of Geniuses.
You made that up. Guys, for ceiling, we're using a high-strength glue.
When will you stop doubting my competence?
Let's see. Is the Academy of Geniuses located in Tibidabo?
Exactly. I even have a degree, the Master of Sweets and Craftology.
I think I should go there too to improve my skills.
I guess you can even teach there because you are super smart.
Oh, Sammy, you're so sweet.
Guys, gives you a thumbs up for her incredible intellect.
And subscribe to our channel too. While we wait for the glue to set, then we can continue creating our beauty.
Ooh.
Sammy, you've already decorated the bricks.
Yes, Susie, it's done by the real Master of Sweets and Craftology.
Oh, I already forgot that you have a degree. I suggest to pelt Sam with thumbs up, because these bricks are awesome!
Are we gonna make the walls for the fountain?
Yep. In the rear wall, we'll have 2 small holes to attach the water pump. One of them goes right here. We'll come back to it later. Now we just need to assemble the wall. Guys, Have you ever built anything with bricks? If you're interested in building and these kinds of crafts, you definitely have to try this. You can start with something more simple, like a small house or a tower. On our channel, you can find a video on how to build two at once. We also have many ideas on how to use this kind of material. Phew, the construction's finally completed. Let's move on to the artwork.
So, why you just take the broken bricks? We have lots of normal ones.
Oh, Sammy, don't worry. It's one of the decor ideas I learned recently. This way, our fountain will look very ancient.
Oh, I got it. As if it was found in an ancient Chinese town and brought here.
Exactly. It's the aging effect. By the way, it's frequently used in interior design. Old things make it cozier.
I like the way you think. After all, we started all this for coziness and feng shui.
Guys, while Sam's away, I decided to make a surprise for him. I'm gonna decorate the bottom of our fountain with mosaics. It will be very beautiful. I must say, it is quite a painstaking work, though I like these kinds of challenges. It's like meditation. To make the design a little unusual, I'll lay out some mosaic circles this way. Just like crop circles. Well, ours are fountain. I think Sam's gonna like it. He approves creativity. Here comes the final touch. The mosaic bottom is ready! I think it looks awesome.
Oh wow, this is amazing, Susie!
Surprise! You just need to cover the bottom with lacquer and the fountain decor is finished. Alright, let's make a crafty water supply system.
I wonder how water will get into our fountain. Will you connect it to the plumbing? Our fountain can't be in the bathroom. The water area is in the living room.
No. It won't be connected to the plumbing. It's much easier. It will be an artificial water cycle.
It is eco-friendly and cost-effective. Guys, do you save water?
Oh, look who's talking about savings, mister. I brush my teeth with running water.
Sue, sometimes I forget about it when I sing in the bathroom.
I know. I just wanted to tease you. Alright, done. Now watch. We pour some water right into that pool. The water will be pumped here and poured out from here. That's the closed loop.
It's a perpetual motion machine. The endless circular motion like yin and yang.
We just need to add some decorations and it's done.
How do you like the tree I found? It'll be nice to meditate under its branches.
Last time I taught you to meditate, you fell asleep.
Don't you get it? I wasn't asleep. I was in deep meditation.
Okay, I believe you. So shall we put everything together?
It's high time. I can feel something is constantly interfering in my harmony.
And your sweet sleep.
It wasn't enlightenment, Sue. I felt so light.
Oh, then maybe you could give me some yoga classes.
I better give you the eating sweets classes.
Ah, deal. In the meantime, let's keep decorating the area. This clay pot will play the role of a tap. Another pot goes here. Awesome. While here, I found the perfect spot for a stone. Very beautiful. Here's the last and the most important detail. So, shall we launch the waterfall?
Yes, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Wow, this is the coolest feng shui fountain in the world!
How's it going with your harmony?
Great, I am calm and ready to comprehend Zen. Join me.
You're right, Sammy. The purr of the water is relaxing. Bye-bye, guys.
Don't forget to give a thumbs up. May the force be with you. Bye!